Today we're going to go for a quick flight with my friend Miller. He runs a YouTube channel called MCProductionGarage, so be sure to check that out after this video.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Arch 542 kilo, fly runway heading, maintain 3000, runway 2 clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, runway 2, fly, runway heading, maintain 3000, 542 kilo.
Dude, we're boogieing up here. This is crazy. So, is this like regular flying? Like this is, or is it ever like really smooth and stuff?
It definitely gets smooth. This is a little bumpy. There's days where it's like perfectly smooth. It's awesome.
Really?
We're gonna go to 3,000 feet altitude, and then go over to Hickory.
Nice.
It's 21 minutes, but we're climbing right now. Once we get to our altitude, we'll level off.
So is that Lake Norman right there?
Yeah, Lake Norman.
So pretty. Oh, so we are going to be going near my apartment complex, actually.
Probably.
It's right. Okay, you see those apartment complexes? Right? You see the bridge right there?
Yeah, let's go.
It's right there, yeah. Let me see if my friend's out there. See if he can record it.
I don't know if you'll get service, or we can drop lower. You can get service.
Alright.
Runway heading 3000, cleared for departure, runway 2, 50 Tango.
You want to do zero gravity?
No, not yet. Hold on. What is the zero gravity you're talking about?
You have something like light, like put this on your knee.
Put that on my knee? What is the zero gravity you're talking about?
Ready?
No. Oh my god! You're crazy! That's insane! Oh, rip the pin. Rip pin. Oh my god. Oh, that was crazy. That was so great. Oh my god. That was funny. You want to do zero gravity? Never, if the pilot ever asks you if you want to do zero gravity, do it, guys.
Right there?
Yeah, so down there's my apartment right there, right close to with the pool and stuff right there. So that's pretty cool that we can see that right off the thing. It's a lot shorter to fly there. Oh, there's some sandbars and stuff down there. Oh, dude, they're vaping over there.
That's how they make clouds.
Yeah, that's how they make clouds. It's a little hazy today, but you know. Look at the lakes. That's so pretty. Do we need it right now?
No, that's good.
We'll find it later for sure. Rip and piece pin. Oh my god. There's what are those air pockets?
Yeah.
That's pretty sick. Oh man, this is incredible. Water towers look a little bit different from up here.
Yeah, people use them as landmarks.
Oh really?
Yeah, like tell where you're at.
That's pretty cool. So how much fuel will we be burning today?
So we will probably fly for about an hour and a half. We'll burn probably 15 gallons of fuel.
Okay. That's crazy.
Usually burns around 10 gallons per hour.
So what's like the best thing about being a pilot, I guess? Just being able to go anywhere?
Yeah, like go to the beach for lunch in an hour and come back.
Oh my god, that's insane.
Probably that. And also, when I land, they have things called courtesy cars. Usually not a nice new car. Some nice airports have like Teslas and stuff, but usually it's like an old beater, Honda or whatever.
Right.
But they give you the keys for about an hour or two, let you go eat lunch and just hang out for an hour and come back.
That's so cool.
As long as you fill it up with gas, pretty much good to go. So.
Dude, this is so cool. This plane, the inside of this plane is incredible, y'all.
It was all updated in 2018. The leather, paint, and everything is 2005. So
right.
Interior and paint was done in 2005, and all the avionics were done in 2018.
That's so cool.
Hey, Concord Tower 598, Mike Charlie.
So what was in it before that?
This is more old school stuff, which was in it before, like stuff like this. These switches are all original. This is new. This is new. This is new.
Right.
It doesn't come with leather wrap yokes. That's like an add-on, like nice leather.
That's so
yokes.
cool. So there's oh, dude, you can see the mountains out there.
You can see some snow on those peaks over there.
That would be incredible. Look at the mountains. That's so cool. You guys can't see the mountains out there. I'm trying to zoom in on them, but they're pretty cool.
Which zoom does that bad boy have?
I don't know, dude. It's not that much, to be honest with you. I think it's to like 105 on a crop sensor, so probably like 135 or something like that.
That doesn't have lenses. Your other one does.
No, so this one is a like
point and shoot.
Point and shoot
Yeah.
versus that camera right there.
Yeah.
But
that full frame.
Yeah, that's full frame.
Nice.
I used to have a vlog lens that I used to run all my big camera lenses on. It was really funny seeing that little point and shoot with a
massive lens.
105. Yeah.
What's your go-to lens for vlogging? This guy.
For vlogging this camera?
What is it, like 18 millimeter or something? What's the?
It's 14. So it goes. I think it's 14. Yeah, but it's 1.8 though. Like that's pretty good. It's
Yeah.
great in low light.
That is good image stabilization, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Trying to see where's the biggest mountain at. It's pretty crazy how flat it is until
Some
you get
snow over there.
Oh yeah, I do see the snow. That's crazy.
The thing is, the haze really upsets it a little bit. Usually, rule of thumb is when you're like 10 miles away, give them a call and tell them you're coming in to land.
Oh, okay, smart. There's a big old fire over there.
It's all a bunch of solar panels on the ground over there.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
Hickory Arrow 9347 November, 11 miles to the east inbound, full stop. We have the weather.
November 9347 November Hickory. Runway 24, advise on a 4-mile final.
4-mile final for 2447 November. You can see a little bit of snow over there.
Oh yeah.
You can see the Sugar Mountain condos from a pretty good ways away.
Oh really? Oh, there is some snow up on that mountain right there. A lot of them.
Number 47 November, turn right there on Alpha. The museum airplanes will be off your left-hand side. And your first left turn you come to is taxiway Alpha 2. Just taxi straight into there, and the self-serve pump will be on your right-hand side when you enter.
Roger, thanks for the help. 47 November.
So where do you pump your own gas at? Oh, right here. Wow, it's a little airplane gas station.
It's literally just like a car.
Yeah, that's crazy.